Hello, today we will guide you through how to activate your Gusto benefits card. To get started, sign into your Gusto account and make sure you are on the home page. This is your main dashboard, where you can access payroll, company settings, and benefits-related tools. Starting from the home page helps ensure you are in the right place before moving into the setup process. Once you are on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This menu is where Gusto organizes the main sections of your account. Find the benefits option in that list. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to scroll or carefully review the sidebar, since it may appear among several other account options. When you locate benefits, click on it to open the benefits section. This area is where you can manage and review available benefit offerings connected to your account. Opening this section is the key step that brings you to the tools needed for card activation and related setup. After that, browse the available sample benefits shown on the page. You may see different benefit types or plan options available to set up. Take a moment to review what is listed so you can confirm you are selecting the correct benefit connected to your benefits card. This step is helpful because some accounts may include more than one option, and choosing carefully can prevent confusion later. Next, click. Set up on the sample benefit you want to use. This begins the activation or setup flow associated with that benefit. Make sure you select the correct item before continuing, especially if there are multiple choices on the screen. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure and complete each form that appears. Enter all requested information carefully and review each page before moving forward. The system may ask for details needed to finish the setup, and it is important to fill everything out accurately so the activation can be completed without delays. As you go, pay attention to any prompts, confirmation messages, or required fields. If a form does not let you continue, double-check for any missing information or highlighted sections that still need to be completed. Taking a few extra seconds to review your entries can help avoid errors and make the process smoother. Once you have completed all the displayed forms and followed the prompts on screen, your setup should be in progress or complete, depending on your account's workflow. If needed, watch for a confirmation screen or status update within the Benefits section. That's it. You've now gone through the process to activate your Gusto benefits card.